Learning how to make a sound on the flute as a beginner can be tricky in the first few days, but no worries. Following the 4 steps I have for you in this video, you'll be able to find an instant, clear sound in no time. Be sure to stick around for the whole video because it'll make your flute playing much easier. Now, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This way you won't miss out on any new videos I put out here regularly. Let's learn how to make a sound on the flute. I'm Rebecca Fuller, the expert instructor at LearnFluteOnline.com, and for the past 32 years, I've helped tens of thousands of students in my programs learn how to play the flute well and enjoy the entire process. At the end of this video, I'll let you know how you can join us. Now, playing the flute is a bit different from other instruments because we have to use our airstream and our lips to create the sound. It can be quite frustrating until you get the right information and do some real experimenting. I'm going to give you 4 steps and a bonus for how to make a sound on the flute, even if you are a true beginner, and be able to make an instant clear sound. Now, I'm here to show you the easy way because there definitely are some different ideas out there, but the way I'm going to show you today will get you the best long-term results and keep you playing and motivated for many happy musical years to come. Now, step 1 is to prepare your face muscles for maximum relaxation. Feeling like your face is in the same position you are when you're asleep. Yep, we're going to feel the muscles come forward from the hairline and down. Next, we'll keep our teeth slightly apart and our jaw kind of slack. That's going to help us the most when getting a nice beginning sound on the flute. Now, while keeping our face relaxed, our teeth slightly apart and our jaw slack, we're going to close our lips in a manner so the full lip can be used, mushy and relaxed. Bringing our top lip slightly farther down than we normally would. And if you have braces, you're going to have to go the extra mile with this step. Get that top lip over and down below your top teeth. Okay, next we can find the best beginning size of hole in our lips, or our aperture, while exhaling just slightly while allowing our lips to part right in the very center. Notice how relaxed all the muscles are in this area of my lips. The sides of the lips stay closed, but they aren't pinching shut or tight at all. Now that's it for prepping our embouchure, that's our face, and our aperture, which is this little part, the hole in our lips. Step 2, now we get to do the next important detail in learning how to make a sound on the flute and to be able to get an instant clear sound. And that is learning how to use our tongue. Now, believe it or not, but flute players use their tongue in one way or another with every single note we play. There are a couple of different ways you may have heard about for using your tongue when playing flute. And for today, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to use it for a clear sound on flute. And I believe it's best to learn it from the very first day. Sound good? Great. You can let me know in the comments section here what other styles of tonguing you've heard of before. That'll be an interesting discussion. Now that the tip of your tongue is sealing off the hole in your lips, you can start to press a little air into your mouth and then quickly pull the tongue back into the middle or the bottom of your mouth and allow your airstream to escape through the hole. Here's a good visual you can try over and over for yourself by using a small folded up piece of paper in your hand, held about 8 inches away and slightly lower than your chin. Try to send that paper off your hand and out into the room, over and over and over. Now, step 3 is to find the correct placement of the lip plate on your face. The lip plate is this riser with the hole in it of your head joint. The head has no keys. The body is long and has lots of keys and mechanisms, and the foot is the short part with a few keys on it. Use your finger to find the center of your bottom lip, exactly where your lip ends and your skin begins. Hold your finger here and press it in just slightly. Using our relaxed face and our lips from the previous steps, you can note that this spot will feel like it's also pressing where your gums meet your bottom teeth. No need to press very hard. The idea is that when we use our fancy tongue and blow, our airstream will come out and it will split on the outside edge of this lip plate. Now, depending on how much air goes inside your flute and how much goes over the top of the lip plate will be important later as you learn to direct your air stream. We've made it to step 4 now, which is to put step 1, 2, and 3 together. Let's see how it goes. 1, prepare your face. 2, prepare your lips and your tongue. 3, place the lip plate parallel to your lips and in the center spot on the bottom of your lower lip, and press some air and let it go. It works! Now, of course, it may take some experimentation, listening to these important steps again, and a lot of repeats until it just seems easy. You won't even get dizzy, and you'll have a nice, clear sound almost every single time. Now, be patient. You'll get it. Everyone has to go through this stage in order to learn to play the flute well. Now, here's a bonus step number 5 for you today to help you practice these steps we've learned, and that is to have fun using the head joint and the palm of your right hand to either cover or uncover the end of it while learning how to make a clear sound the way I've shown you today. You get to experiment with blowing a faster airstream or a slower one and see what happens. It'll be fun. Now, since you're just getting started playing the flute, you might be interested in the sequential learning videos I have with exercises and a fun community all learning together. I call it the silver level at Learn Flute Online, and in there I have 5 full modules containing easy to follow instructions to making a good sound great, specific beginner flute exercises, and music reading skills that everyone can benefit from in order to grow a proper foundation on the flute. Now, this is all so that you can play absolutely any type of music you want, even if you've never played a single day of music before. There's no charge, and I put a link down below here so that you can go get started today. Now, this program has already helped tens of thousands of flute players just like you around the globe learn to play the flute in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and on your own schedule. So there you go. I hope you found this video about how to make a sound on the flute for beginners with an instant, clear sound useful. I'm really looking forward to seeing your comments and having a discussion about tonguing styles and what you've heard or learned before. And so you can continue, I've put that link below to the free silver level. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe here, and come find me at learnfluteonline.com so I can help you continue on your flute improvement journey. Enjoy! See you again soon!